Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the exposure of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we can see the projects that we already started. From here we have to select one that we want to edit. Then in the editing menu, we have to find the clip that we want to set the exposure of. We tap on the clip, and then in the bottom bar, we find the adjustments button. If we scroll to the right, we can find it easily. Then in the adjustments menu, we can find the exposure. If we scroll a bit to the right, we tap on this. And if we move this little slider to the right, we are going to increase the exposure. And if we move it to the left, then we are going to decrease. After we are done setting it, we can just tap on the OK button, and it is going to save the adjustment that we made. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.